Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with an old school tune-up and repair report for Thomas in Tennessee on the RCI-2980. Thomas got you ready to go, bud. Completely redid this unit inside and out, regulator upgrade, caps, unlocked the clarifier, tune alignment, replaced your meters, also LED meter lights. Took the whole front face off so we could get this tightened up and Loctited your mic plug. My guy went and cleaned it all up best we can. This is a 30-year-old radio, but it looks really, really good for the age. This thing is all ready to go. Let's just start with RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. Set you about a half a watt all the way down. 9.5 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. 18 bird. 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 39 PEP. Hard to beat the old bipolar transistors, ain't it, Thomas? Alright, man, we're going to get this out to you. It's ready to go. Get it packed up and sealed. And I appreciate it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com.